In this video, we are going to talk about making money online. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. For many individuals, finding out how to generate money online will be a top focus this year. It might be a side hustle to augment your income or a whole new enterprise. Whatever the cause, there are several options accessible. For many of them, all you'll need is access to a stable internet connection and a smartphone. What are my options for earning money online? Continue reading if you want to make additional money without breaking a sweat. I've compiled this huge collection of internet money-making ideas and side jobs to save you time and hours of study. All you have to do is set aside some time to look over the list, and I'm certain you'll find one or two that seem appealing. Create a website and earn affiliate commissions. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular methods to generate real money online. Affiliate marketing is used by 81% of companies and 84% of publishers, and this figure is expected to rise as affiliate marketing expenditure in the United States rises year after year. Do you have no idea what affiliate marketing is? It's a method of making money by advertising different companies. You're marketing a variety of goods, services, applications, software, and other items. Companies will pay you a commission if a consumer purchases a product via your link. You're probably thinking that the commission will be little, but that's not quite correct. It may be, but the key distinction is that you can be an affiliate for 1, 2, 3, or significantly more businesses, and there is no limit to the amount of links you can include in each of your articles. There is also the possibility that the commission will be 50% of a $1,000 product and will be a monthly recurring commission. How does it function? You promote the companies on your website by writing blogs, making infomercials, and providing other sorts of content. You include links to your affiliate brand's websites and direct visitors to them. Create and sell software. There are several advantages to developing and selling software. The initial expenditures, including software development, might be rather significant. However, after you've created your product, the cost of selling it is rather minimal. The cost of delivering the final product to the buyer is minimal. One essential need is that you have a solid understanding of programming. A knowledgeable friend or family might be a viable option, as long as they don't wish to charge too much for their services. It's also critical to develop software that customers desire to acquire. It should ideally be software that is original, better than everything else on the market, or, at the absolute least, significantly cheaper. There is currently a vast quantity of software available, but there are still certain niches to explore and challenges to which no one has discovered a remedy. If you can figure out what they are, you could be onto a winner. Keep in mind that the development phase of your idea may take some time, so conduct lots of research ahead of time to ensure there is a market for your product. If you want to reduce the amount of labor you do, you should think about purchasing software and improving it, or adopting open source software. If you believe this is a viable alternative, be certain that there are no limits. It would be disastrous to spend a lot of time building something that you couldn't sell. Another related opportunity is app development. Developing games or applications may be a successful business venture. Launching and growing a startup. If you believe you have what it takes to create a startup firm, you have a plethora of possibilities thanks to the internet. The sky is the limit in terms of what you can do if you have a computer and a stable internet connection. You don't have to be a technological whiz child to design, launch, and grow your company. All you have to do is work hard and learn what you need to know. Another significant advantage of beginning a new internet company is that you may do it from anywhere in the globe. Nobody determines your schedule for you, so you may work as little or as frequently as you like. It all depends on how quickly or successfully you want your company to grow. When it comes to capital needs, you don't need much. There are online enterprises that may be started with no money since there are a plethora of free resources to aid in the process. Launch an e-commerce website and sell physical goods. E-commerce sites have really taken off in recent years, and with systems like WooCommerce and WordPress, constructing your site couldn't be simpler. Because so many brick-and-mortar establishments have been forced to shut due to COVID, the popularity of this alternative is expected to grow. Launch an e-commerce website and sell physical goods. E-commerce sites have really taken off in recent years, and with systems like WooCommerce and WordPress, constructing your site couldn't be simpler. Because so many brick-and-mortar establishments have been forced to shut due to COVID, the popularity of this alternative is expected to grow. Online buying is no longer considered a luxury. E-commerce accounted for just 5.1% of overall retail sales more than a decade ago. Fast forward to 2019, when internet sales accounted for 21% of total sales. It is now a requirement for millions of individuals owing to COVID-19. To be successful in the long run with your e-commerce company, you'll need a long-term vision and a product that adds actual value to the market. To establish a successful e-commerce company, you must either design and offer a specialized physical product to a particular audience or acquire popular items at a low cost from an overseas manufacturer, repackage them, and resell them at a profit. The first approach is more hazardous, but it has the potential to be highly successful. You must have a strong love for your product or items, and you must be willing to put in the effort when it comes to research, product creation, and testing. Beardbrand, Ratio Coffee, and Skin MT are just a few examples of very successful e-commerce businesses. All three of these businesses demonstrate the great outcomes that can be obtained if you are willing to put in the effort. The second way is less dangerous, but you must first locate a popular product. AliExpress is one place to look. You purchase the goods in bulk, repackage it, and sell it via your e-commerce site. You'll need to consider how you'll send the orders in addition to locating the correct goods. The obvious choice is to handle it yourself, but there is also the option of drop shipping. In this situation, you accept the orders and the manufacturer handles the shipment. Produce online courses. They appear on your Facebook news feed and in advertising when you search online. Online courses seem to be everywhere these days, but it's not too late to join in on the activity. The online education industry is expected to reach $350 billion by 2025. However, there is one prerequisite. You must have information that someone is willing to pay for. Online courses are a terrific possibility if you have what it takes. It's not the end of the world if you don't have the resources to design your own course. You can always become a teacher. Choose the correct platform, and you'll be able to share your knowledge and talents with a large number of people who are interested in learning something new. Create and market an ebook. If you've always wanted to write a book but have been putting it off for years, releasing an ebook might be the solution. You don't have to contact a publishing business if you want to publish a book, since self-publishing is an alternative. Anyone may publish a book, and it is feasible to earn a livelihood doing so. Because the entrance hurdle is quite low, expect a lot of competition. To stand out from the pack, you must produce the greatest ebook possible and meet the expectations of your readers. Some of the things you should think about before putting pen to paper, metaphorically speaking, are: choosing an appropriate topic. Something about which you are enthusiastic or informed. How lengthy should your ebook be? There are no unbreakable rules. The title of your ebook should pique people's interest and entice them to read it. Create original content. Offer insights that no other ebook does. The ideal format is PDF. Editing? If your ebook has grammatical faults, it will fail. Design of the cover. It's not just about the information. A visually appealing cover is also essential for success. After you've finished writing your ebook, you'll need to sell it. Trying to reach out to everyone is not the greatest strategy. You have a better chance of success if you can identify a market. What to sell on Amazon FBA? To make money you may sell almost anything, from objects laying around your house to high-end jewels, but certain goods sell more than others. Well-known brand name items are a strict no-no. Customers on Amazon are often seeking for quality items that seem to check all of the boxes and are being offered at a reasonable price. Domain names for sale and purchase. Domain names are major business in today's tech-centric environment. They may be sold for millions of dollars in certain situations. If you locate a good domain name for sale, you should be able to get a few $100 at the very least. Don't anticipate to make a profit for many months. Domain names for sale and purchase. Domain names are major business in today's tech-centric environment. They may be sold for millions of dollars in certain situations. If you locate a good domain name for sale, you should be able to get a few $100 at the very least. Don't anticipate to make a profit for many months, since it might take a long time to create a high-quality domain portfolio. The amount of profit you earn is determined by how much labor you are willing to put in. Buying and selling domain names is attempting to guess what will be popular in a few months or years. Another alternative is to buy some high-profile domains and hold on to them for a time, expecting that their value would rise. Freelance. Do you have a particular skill set? Is there anything you can perform for which people would pay money? There is a huge need for freelancers right now. According to a recent People Per Her poll, 60% of organizations aim to utilize freelancers more this year. Being your own boss, on the other hand, is not as simple as it seems. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.